To change always on display clock style type in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panels. Swipe the notification panel and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen and then tap lock screen. Scroll down, tap always on display. You must turn on always on display first to change clock style type, and then tap clock style. Select type you want and type. Okay. Or you can check image and give style. Okay. And then tap done. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.